Hi everyone, it's Alyssa and today I'm going to show you how to make a basic French braid if you've never braided before. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin with a small section of hair. Split hair into 3 equal sections. Notice the finger positions. Thumb and pointer hold strand 1, thumb and pointer hold strand 2, last 3 fingers hold strand 3. Bring your pointer finger around strand 1, face your palms upward. Use your pincher fingers to grab strand 2. Turn your wrist to cross strand 1 over strand 2 and grab strand 1 with your other pincher fingers. Let's relabel our strands. Bring your pointer finger around strand 1. Turn your wrist to bring strand 3 over strand 2 and grab strand 3 with your pincher fingers. Repeat these steps. Use an elastic ponytail to bind the braid. Put it around your thumb, pointer, and middle finger. Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out my video at Braids by Alyssa. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new tutorials and check out all my other social media platforms located in the description below.